Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome back to Grumpy's Laid Back Carvings. We're doing a short video today. I received a letter from Mr. Ray and Sandy. I've been waiting on this one. Yes, sir. I got stickers. Ray and Sandy's Woodworking. Yes, sir. Fixing to go up on the board. So thank you for your support. We appreciate you. Mr. Ray, I appreciate you, sir. Everybody watches my everybody that's been watching my videos, Mr. Ray sent me some oak, and these are the 3 roach clips that I've made with it so far. I got the captive rings on them. This one I started, but the rings kept exploding on me. But yes, sir, I've gotten that out of it so far, and I greatly appreciate it. Oak is some tough stuff. I have some oak that's drying out back, but it's far from ready for me to try to spin it. Let's pick this up here. Let's see. We're gonna get Mr. Ray sticker right there. Right there. Oh, hit my camera mount. Hope everybody's having a good day. It's warm out there today. I did some yard work today, so. Grumpy's mailbox magic's alive. Every sticker a new surprise. Nobody likes to do yard work, but gotta get it done. Let's see. Touch it up. There we go. I'm gonna stretch up in here. I got to move the chains off my balloon that I got from Mr. Wowie. Does it get you right there? Try to get all the air bubbles out. Alright. Mr. Ray and Sandy's Woodworking. Y'all go check out their channel. I'm going to have a link for their channel in my description. So go check that out. I'm going to throw a link for Spike's fundraiser in there too as well. I try to put that in all my videos. So y'all go check that out. Y'all do not have to donate or share the video, but I would love it if you shared the link, and even if you could donate, that would be awesome as well. Let me zoom this back out. That's awesome sticker, Mr. Ray. Thank you. My box is getting full. Let's go through these. I wasn't zoomed out good enough the other day. These 3 right here are from Wowie's Workshop and Two Brothers One Vision. Be a Lighthouse, Two Brothers One Vision. That's their symbol right there. Right there. It's awesome stuff. Go check out his channel. And this is Mr. Robert Peters. He does pipes and walking sticks and stuff. Girl, Mr. Grumpy hanging up in the corner. Mr. Robert made that for me. Awesome. Of course, this is the one we just added. Ray and Sandy's Woodworking. Check out their channel. This is Professor Rusty's Workshop. Check out his channel. Awesome sticker. Dad Carves. Awesome sticker. Awesome channel. Again, this one came from Mr. Rusty. I like that. Let's make wood great again. Josh and Casey from Creation Dust 777. Check out their channel. That's Josh from Bear and the Boss Lady. Check out his channel. Jordy Johnson, he started me on this crazy journey. Check out his channel. How do we say it's Jordy's fault? Sean, Pin on Fire, awesome channel. Come on, guy, I hope they get you square. Perry, he's got an awesome channel, The Carving Wizard. Josh, Electric Whittler, awesome channel. Sophie, Under the Bark, awesome channel. Delan's Handmade Woodworking, awesome channel. This is Mr. Grumpy, you see him better. I love it. Suzanne Rhinestone, good channel, awesome. Jordy Johnson, awesome. Let's see. Oop, it's a mess in here. That's one of my stickers from Rusty. My belong from Wowie right there. The two keys. Awesome. And then I got some more stickers out here. Yes, sir. Oh, hitting stuff. Alright, y'all. Thank you. And again, Mr. A, thank you so much for the sticker. And I love the oak. Thank you so much. And I'm going to put your other sticker out there with my lathe. So, again, y'all have a great day. Check out my description. Go check out Mr. A's channel. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.